mind be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
Lee Jun Fan, the 27th of November, 1940, the 20th of July, 1973, commonly known as Bruce Lee, was a Chinese-American martial artist, actor, martial arts instructor and philosopher. He was the founder of Jeet Kune Do, a hybrid martial arts philosophy drawing from different combat disciplines that is often credited with paving the way for modern mixed martial arts, MMA. Lee is considered by commentators, critics, media, and other martial artists to be the most influential martial artist of all time, and he is credited with helping to change the way Asians were presented in American films. Besides being a film star, he popularized Kung Fu globally. Lee was one of the fastest and most powerful martial artists of all time. Standing at 1.7 meters and weighing 61 kilograms, he was clocked delivering a punch at 190 kilometers per hour. How the Bruce Lee was dead. He was died at the age of 32. Lee died on the 20th of July, 1973, at the age of 32. There was no visible external injury, however, according to autopsy reports. Lee's brain had swollen considerably. When the doctors announced Lee's death, it was officially ruled a death by misadventure. Since his death, Lee has continued to be a prominent influence on modern combat sport, including judo, karate, mixed martial arts, and boxing. Time named Lee one of the 100 most important people of the 20th century.